Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. If you remember a few months back from AMT Custom Designs, they sent me some brand new door sills, and let me tell you, they turned out fantastic. I absolutely love them. However, I found out that they could send me some made with my channel logo, which you could also as well, you could have something designed for yours. So if you see this and you like it, make sure you reach out to AMT Custom Designs. But let's take a look at what they sent me right now. All right, so I've already actually opened the other one. We're gonna unwrap this one. And I gotta tell you, this turned out a lot better than I could have ever expected. And these are the carbon fiber ones. I don't know if you guys watch our Monday night live streams that we do on Horsepower Obsessed channel, you've already seen these, but look at this. The quality is absolutely fantastic. I couldn't believe it. Everything that I get from them is better than what I expected. I mean, maybe I don't set my sights very high, but my goodness, they turn out amazing. So if you're interested, even just in the door sills, I'll have links down below. There's also a discount code. So if you're interested in any of the AMT stuff that I've installed in my car, make sure you use that discount code, save yourself a few dollars. But anyway, I'm gonna go put these on right now. All right, guys, so this is the one that I installed a while back, and I love this. I think it turned out really, really good. But this is carbon flash. We're gonna go back because this is on the interior with all the carbon fiber that's been added. I'm gonna go ahead and add this with carbon fiber, and it will have my logo on it, my channel logo. I'm gonna attempt to take this off the way it is because it is installed with the double-sided tape, but I'm going to try to get it off the way it is. But if it feels like it might break, I think what I'm gonna do is get a hair dryer and try to heat it up, maybe make it where it's a little more sticky, and I could probably just pull this off because I definitely want to be able to save it. Whoo-wee. All right. We're gonna go ahead and get this wiped down one more time with good isopropyl alcohol so that way any of the adhesive that was on there before, which looks like most of it came off, but just in case, just to be safe, we want to get it all off there so when we install the new one that thing really sticks well. So the next step, we're going to remove the backing of this double-sided tape, and then we're just going to put it in place. All right, so here we go. The moment of truth. Might help if I had it facing the right direction. All right, guys, that's going to do it. All you have is the other side, but that's basically rinse and repeat. So this one is completely done, and I think it looks fantastic. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to AMT Custom Designs for knocking it out of the park again. And I will have a link down in the description code for the products and also a discount code. So if you have any questions, just email me or leave it down in the comments and I'll answer everything that I can. And if you enjoy this video, please hit that like button, consider subscribing, and I hope everybody has a great week. Thank you for watching.